Hey Fitness Fan Man, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that, well, we're going to be doing our Run or Die 5K tomorrow, so I'm going to be getting chalk thrown at me because it's going to be completely pink, and apparently we're going to have stuff stuck in our hair. So anyway, I wanted to go and let you guys know, because Saturday training is not going to happen, I'm going to go ahead and show you 5 different ways that you can go ahead and use this challenge as a workout that you can do at home. Okay, now last Saturday if you came, I already told you a little bit how to do this. This is going to be a quick refresher for you guys, and if you didn't come before, this is going to be new. And so anyway, Planksgiving Day challenge, right? Now you might think that it's just the challenge itself, and a lot of people do that, but here's the thing, this is one way to do things. Now, if you did want to go ahead and break it up, what you could do is you can do the same exact pattern in the Planksgiving Day challenge, guys, but instead of getting 6 rounds, you can try getting 2 rounds with some rest in between, and you could just go a very, very, very slow motion version of it. So let's say, for example, the rotating plank, come up, and then come down very, very, very slowly. The slower you go, the more control that's required, and the more strength that you'll need in your core. And so same thing with the seesaw curls, just get some heavy weights and just kind of seesaw. The slower you go, the more you're going to be using your abs. So that's how it can be useful for you if you want to do the same challenge but just at a slower pace. Now, next thing, if you notice, I break it up into 2 pieces. I got rotating plank and chomp away, and then there's another plank and then another move and then another move. I break it up pretty much into supersets. Now what you could do is you can do, let's say, these 2 moves, rotating plank and chomp away seesaw curls. You could do both of those moves together, 30 seconds of work with 10 or 15 seconds of rest, alternating between those 2 moves. Knock out 4 rounds, rest about a minute, and then move on to the next superset, which will be right here. Does that make sense? So that you guys are able to really knock that out. You can do 30-15, you can do 30-10, you can do 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest. And so you'll see a lot of these tempos that I do in all the training that we do together. So I want to kind of show you how I piece it together. Now, same exact patterns, guys. What you could also do is the same supersets, but instead of knocking it out for 30-15 with rest in between moves, you could just have, we've been doing it this week, a 3-minute set of this superset. See how many rounds that you can get, rest for a little bit, do another 3, 4, 5 minutes, see how many you can get, hopefully you beat your last one, and that's how you can go ahead and use that to your advantage. I would suggest, if you're going to do the 3-minute version or the timed version, I would suggest 3 minutes, rest, do another 3 minutes, 3 minutes, rest, do another 3 minutes, and so on until you get all of it out there. And that should pretty much give you like a 20-25 minute workout. So hopefully this has become useful for you guys. Again, just a quick refresher, 5 different ways to do it. Obviously, the current way that you've already done it, I don't imagine you'd want to do another challenge in the same exact way. You could do slow motion version with less rounds. Okay, that's number 2. You could do 30-10 or 30-15. You could also do 40-20, that's another way to do it, and you can also break it up by 3-minute sets. And so a lot of these are very, very awesome ways to go ahead and break up a workout, guys. Use that to your advantage, guys, and also if you have references from the past challenges, it could also be broken up into this way. So hopefully that helps, guys, and have a great weekend. See you later.